you guys excited to be here tonight? Let me hear ya. Come on. Yeah, got a good crowd. What's going to be a little chilly night, so hold on. Our lead-off test truck is ready to go. Amy Porteous. Remember, the floating finish line is in effect all night. The John Deere 4430 Talking Point. Talking Point, Amy Porteous out of Shootout, Ohio. Looks like we got a good sled setting from the Bad Boy Mower sled, Lowry Sled Rental. We have a 320-foot track laid out to the orange cones. Each track is about 40 feet wide. Once again, we will be using the floating finish line. And the distance for Amy Porteous Talking Point is 287.322. 287.322. 688. The mark to beat is 287.322 here in the Wellington Implement Light Limited Pro Stocks. Remember, we got a total of 12 in Class 1. Shadow Sherman, our starting flagman, about ready to go at the 8 Pro starting line. Thank you to 8 Pro, our starting line sponsor. And here comes Jay Rittenbaugh out of Fresno, Ohio, a light pro stock, shotgun red. Going to do it for Shotgun Red, the International 3688.
Okay, over here on the Full Productions USA East track, we're going to start off with the classic Super Stock tractors. These guys are limited to a single charger and 18,438 cars. Our first track,
National 1066 Light Pro Stock Red Dog Unleashed. Do it for a Red Dog out of Zanesfield, Ohio.
And over on track number 2, back on the Full Productions track, we have John Rose out there with a...
And some change. Here comes Colton Ruff, John Deere 5020, unfinished business.
Back over
grain farmer and a 4-H harvester. It's a John Deere called Working Overtime, Matt Lommers. In his first year with OSTPA as a white heather, 2 sons, Chase and Nash. Good run. Don't forget, they just got another truckload of beer at the Dragway 42 beer tent, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. Also, all the other great concession stands here tonight. OSTPA merchandise located at the north end. They have earplugs. They have calendars selling for $3. They have schedules.
From Lake, Ohio, this guy currently #1 in the points, the Blacktop Binder.
Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, you can visit www.ostpa.com for all the latest results, point standings, upcoming schedule, and all our great sponsors.
Line now on track number 2. This is
Team 66, light pro stock, awesome tractor, the train wreck. They make an attempt to get out of it before the Ohio Mark. They do get one more attempt, so hold on.
Run down over on that full track, the Classic Supers in 5th place at 3:07:21. First new tractor of Chuck Palmer. 4th place, Mike Sinwinger in the Iron Ox at 3:08:74. 3rd place, Tucker Urban in the Track Handler AC 3:10.39. 2nd place goes to Claire McIntosh in the Slutty Alice tractor 3:13.87. And your winner here tonight at Dragway 42, Jason Pitts in the AC he calls Pipe Dreams 3:16.61.
Here comes Tim Gilgar, the Wolf. Oh man, tough luck. Not going to be the night for the Wolf after making a good run on Thursday. One more. Cyrus, Ohio. He was a point champion a couple years ago. He is currently #3 in the points. John Deere 5020, no name on this limited pro stock. Here comes Jerry Martin. Come on.
Official distance for Jerry Martin from Bucyrus, Ohio, 3:19. 319.